Most lawnmowers leave you guessing. Edges you can't reach, spots you missed, corners you skipped. Not this one. The Mowrator S1 gives you edge-to-edge precision. No blind spots, no missed strips. All-wheel drive turns the steepest slopes into flat ground. Hills, ditches, inclines handled like it's nothing. When the job's done, it dumps the load for you. Clean, simple, hands-free. From tight corners to wide-open fields, the Mowrator gets it done. It looks like a toy. It's not. This is a serious machine. Perfect lines, smooth cuts, total control. It doesn't matter how thick the grass is. The Mowrator powers through. Tall grass? No hesitation. Thick and heavy? No compromise. Rough terrain? Keep moving. Edge trimming. Clean lines. Total precision. Tall, thick, rough, precise. One machine handles it all. Extreme slopes, up to 100% grade, stable, secure, locked in, thick grass, large lawns, built for real American work. This is the Mowrator S1. Want flawless edges? You got them. Perfect borders every single time. Stay inside the house. See everything. FPV control gives you real-time vision wherever the mower goes. Stop fighting your yard. Start running it. Learn more at ossamerica.com.